So I hope you enjoyed these talks on the pelvic floor, and for those of you that watched the extra breathing practice, that you found it very helpful. Please take your time with these. We all have our own strengths and weaknesses of the pelvic floor, and it can be much more complex for some women than others. Always seek medical advice if you are uncertain, and if you are seeing a women's health physiotherapist, make sure that they're specialists in internal examination. There's just one more thing to say, and that is that some women have an overactive pelvic floor, and that is when actually we do need to give them a little bit more support, because it can just be a bit tighter, and these women may notice that they tend to have a bit more of a frequency of bladder infections and other problems. So as always, seek medical help and support when you need. Have a look at the PDF. It's going to give you support. It's going to summarize some of these key things that I've talked about. Maybe watch the videos a few times, as there's quite a lot of information. And be kind to yourself, and know that there's probably a lot going on at the moment. So it's going to just take some time to put all of this together.